It's a 2016 Hyundai Tucson. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for everyone makes this Tucson perfect for the family and perfect for you. The refined and spacious interior belie its market segment of compact crossover SUV. Minimize your backward roll when parked on an incline with Hill Start Assist Control, and use the rear view camera to easily fit into a tricky parking space. It also conveniently comes with touchscreen audio, Bluetooth, and rear reclining seatbacks.
Loading and unloading your vehicle just got easier with the Power Liftgate. It comes with a navigation system to easily guide you to your destination. Negotiating traffic has never been easier thanks to the blind spot indicator.
They may miss you, but they'll never miss your exit in this Tucson. Make it yours today.
At the Used Giant, we offer the Giant Advantage. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 4727 US Highway 19 in Newport Richey, Florida.